George over here in this lovely windy afternoon in the high desert to review my Viking bags that I purchased for my 2018 Suzuki Boulevard C90. That is the C90, folks, not the 50. Anyhow, let's get right to them. Love the look of the bags. They've been spray painted gray to match my tank. So that's why it took me a while to post up the video, but I finally got it. Love the looks from the sides, love the look from the back, pretty good looking. And of course you got your left side. I do apologize for the wind, it is pretty windy out here in the desert. I'm trying my very best to block off the sound with my body. Yeah, so let's see what they look like on the inside. Some lighting in there. I'll probably do that. Probably add some turn signals into them too. Anyhow, pouch. Put your registration, insurance, in there. You'll note that there is not a pocket, just like the one on the right, on the left side, but still plenty of room, same dimensions. I spray painted them gray. They all generally come in black or leather coated. Love the bags. I mean, if you're thinking about getting them, shit, stop thinking about it. Get them already. Good looking bags. Definitely worth your buck.